As we age, maintaining strong legs becomes crucial for independence and quality of life. Our legs support us in daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, and standing up from a chair. However, with age, muscle strength and bone density can decline, leading to mobility issues. Fortunately, certain vitamins and nutrients can help preserve and even improve leg strength in individuals over 60. This guide will explore these essential vitamins and how they contribute to stronger legs and better mobility. Chapter 1. Understanding age-related changes in leg strength. 1. Muscle loss with age. We grow older, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass and strength, a condition known as sarcopenia. This process can begin as early as our 30s and accelerates after the age of 60. Sarcopenia affects the legs significantly, leading to weakness and reduced mobility. 1.2 Bone density. Decline osteoporosis is another age-related condition where bones become brittle and fragile due to loss of tissue. This condition increases the risk of fractures, especially in the hips and legs, which can severely impact mobility. 1.3 Importance of nutrition. Proper nutrition plays a vital role in combating these age-related changes. Specific vitamins and minerals are essential for maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and overall leg strength. Chapter 2. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin 2. 1 role in muscle and bone. Health vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption, which is necessary for strong bones. It also plays a role in muscle function, helping to prevent falls and fractures in older adults. 2 sources of vitamin D: sunlight. Exposure: fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products. Supplements, especially in regions with limited sunlight. 3. Recommended intake for individuals over 60. A daily intake of 800 to 1,000 IU of vitamin D is generally recommended. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Chapter 3. Calcium, building strong bones. 3. 1. Importance for leg. Strength calcium is the primary mineral found in bones. Adequate calcium intake helps maintain bone density, reducing the risk of fractures in the legs and hips. 2. Dietary sources. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. Leafy green vegetables such as kale and broccoli. Fortified foods like cereals and plant-based milk alternatives. 3. Recommended intake: men over 70 and women over 50 should aim for 200 millimeters of calcium per day. This can be achieved through diet and supplements if necessary. Chapter 4. Protein, the building block of muscles. 4. Role in muscle maintenance. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Adequate protein intake helps prevent muscle loss and supports leg strength. 2. Sources of protein. Lean meats like chicken and turkey, fish and seafood, eggs, legumes such as beans and lentils, dairy products. 4. Recommended intake: older adults should aim for 0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For example, a 70-kg individual should consume between 70 to 84 grams of protein per day. Chapter 5. Vitamin B12, supporting nerve health. Importance for mobility. Vitamin B12 is vital for nerve function. Deficiency can lead to numbness or tingling in the legs, affecting balance and mobility. Sources of vitamin B12: animal products like meat, eggs, and dairy, fortified cereals. Supplements, especially for those with absorption issues. Recommended intake: the recommended daily intake for adults is 2. 4 micrograms. Older adults may require supplements due to decreased absorption with age. Chapter 6. Magnesium, Muscle Function and Relaxation 6. Role in muscle health. Magnesium supports muscle contraction and relaxation. It also helps prevent leg cramps and supports bone health. 6.2 Dietary sources: nuts and seeds, whole grains, leafy green vegetables, legumes. 3. Recommended intake: men over 30 should aim for 420 ml per day, and women over 30 should aim for 320 ml per day. Chapter 7. Potassium, preventing muscle cramps. One importance for leg health: potassium helps regulate muscle contractions and nerve signals. Adequate potassium intake can prevent leg cramps and support overall muscle function. 2 sources of potassium: bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, avocados, beans. 7. 3. Recommended intake: adults should aim for 2,600 to 3,400 milligrams of potassium daily, depending on age and sex. Chapter 8. Omega-3, fatty acids, reducing inflammation. Benefits for mobility: omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and stiffness, supporting better mobility. 8.2 Sources of omega-3s: fatty fish like salmon and sardines, flax seeds and chia seeds, walnuts. Fish oil supplements. 0.3. Recommended intake: aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, or consider supplements as advised by a healthcare provider. Chapter 9. Vitamin K, bone health and blood clotting. Role in leg strength. Vitamin K is essential for bone metabolism and helps in the regulation of calcium, contributing to stronger bones in the legs. Dietary sources: leafy green vegetables, like kale and spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, fermented foods like natto. 9. 3. Recommended intake: men should aim for 120 micrograms per day, and women should aim for 90 micrograms per day. Chapter 10. Vitamin C, collagen production. 1. Importance for connective tissue. Vitamin C is necessary for collagen synthesis, which is vital for maintaining healthy tendons and ligaments in the legs. 10.2 Sources of vitamin C: citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, strawberries, bell peppers, tomatoes. 3. Recommended intake: men should aim for 90 mg per day, and women should aim for 75 mg per day. Chapter 11. Vitamin E, protecting muscle cells. 11. 1. Role in muscle health: vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting muscle cells from oxidative stress, which can contribute to muscle weakness. Sources of vitamin E: nuts and seeds, vegetable oils, green leafy vegetables. 3. Recommended intake: adults should aim for 15 milligrams of vitamin E per day. Chapter 12. Lifestyle tips for stronger legs. 12.1 Regular exercise: incorporate strength training and balance exercises to maintain and improve leg strength. Point. Balanced diet: ensure a diet rich in the vitamins and minerals discussed to support leg health. 12.3 Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for muscle function and overall health. 12.4 Regular checkups: consult with healthcare providers to monitor nutrient levels and overall health. Conclusion: maintaining strong legs after 60 is achievable with the right combination of nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle choices. By focusing on essential vitamins and minerals, you can support muscle strength, bone density, and overall mobility, leading to a more active and independent life.